In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change theme in new Yahoo Mail account. If you've just started using the new Yahoo Mail, changing the theme is a quick way to make your inbox feel more personal and easier on your eyes. Themes control the background, colors, and overall look of the interface, but they won't change how your messages are sent or how recipients see your emails. This is purely about your own viewing experience. Once you're in your inbox, look toward the top right corner of the screen for the gear icon. This is the Settings or Quick Settings button. Click it to open a side panel. Think of this panel as your control center for appearance and basic preferences. It's lightweight and doesn't take you away from your inbox, so you can preview changes in real time. Near the top of this panel, you'll see the Themes section. This is where the fun happens. Yahoo provides a variety of options, from simple solid colors to more expressive gradients and image-based backgrounds. Some options offer a softer palette for minimal distraction, while others give you bold contrasts that can make buttons and labels easier to spot. As you browse, pay attention to how the message list, folders, and toolbar shift with each theme. If your goal is comfort during long sessions, a darker or low contrast option might reduce eye strain. If you want clarity and punch, a high contrast color can help important controls stand out. To try a theme, select it from the gallery. In most cases, you'll see the change immediately, and there's no save button to worry about. If you don't love it, simply pick another until you land on one that feels right. Consider how the theme looks with unread messages, how it frames the compose window, and whether the background makes text easy to read. Remember, you can switch themes anytime, so there's no pressure to get it perfect on the first try. A quick tip for accessibility: choose a theme that provides strong contrast between the text and the background, especially in the message list. Clear separation helps you scan subject lines faster and reduces visual fatigue. Also, if your work involves late night reading, a darker theme can be a comfortable choice. When you're happy with your selection, close the panel or just continue using your inbox. Your theme choice is saved automatically and will greet you the next time you sign in. That's all there is to it. Open the gear icon, pick a theme you love, and enjoy a cleaner, more personalized Yahoo Mail experience.